Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I have the most delicious dish for you. You're going to love it. Keema curry or kottuna curry in Tamil. Minced meat curry. Minced meat and potato curry. You can eat this with rice or you can make all kinds of wraps. You can even make sandwiches. You can use this as stuffings for puffs or samosas. If you have not subscribed to my channel Indian Cooking with Suganthi, please click the subscribe button and the bell button also. And subscription is 100% free. Let's look at the ingredients. Minced meat. You can use meat of your choice. I'm going to add potato with that. You can even add cauliflower, beans, carrots and all that. And ginger and garlic. Peeled garlic and ginger. I'm not going to use all of that. Cloves and cardamom. These are cloves and cardamoms. And fennel seeds, and I'm going to use some fennel seed powder also. Cashew nuts and mint leaves, green chili, fresh green chilies, and this is poppy seeds. I'm soaking it in water. And cinnamon sticks and bay leaves and onions and curry leaves, lime or lemon and cilantro, dhania leaves. Chili powder, garam masala, and turmeric powder and salt. Next, let's do the grinding. I'm going to grind the garlic and ginger. About 1.5 inch. I just sliced it for easy grinding. And mint leaves. And some cilantro leaves, dhania leaves. Add a little bit of water and grind it. Should be like this nice fine paste. Next, let's marinate the meat. Add some salt first. Add a little bit, start with a little bit. And 2 teaspoons of the ground paste. Ginger, garlic and all the dhania leaves paste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And chili powder according to your taste. Garam masala, about 1/2 teaspoon. Fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon. And onion, finely chopped onions. Cilantro leaves, dhania leaves, and mix everything together really well. Next, lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. It's about 2 cups of meat. And fresh green chilies, it's optional. And mix everything really well. And leave it aside and let it marinate while we cut the vegetables. Today I'm going to use potato. And you don't have to peel the potato. Cut the potatoes into tiny cubes. You can use cauliflower or beans, carrot, or cabbage or any vegetable of your choice. Soak the potato in water so it won't turn black. Take the cashew nuts and just break it into pieces. Just tiny pieces like this. I forgot to mention the tomatoes. You can also add tomatoes, cut it into tiny pieces. Now let's start the cooking. add oil to a nice thick based pan. Add the cinnamon sticks and bay leaves first. Fry this in oil for half a minute so all the flavor will get into the oil. Then add the chopped onions. Just fry it. Cook in medium heat. While the onion is getting cooked, I'm going to grind the poppy seeds and the dry ingredients. Cloves and cardamom. Cardamom and cloves, just about 4-5 pieces. And fennel seeds. I'm going to grind this, a paste like this, and put it aside. Add about 1/4 teaspoon salt to the onion and turn the heat to medium-low, and add the ground paste, the ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, and just keep stirring it and keep the heat low. Next, add the meat, the marinated meat. After you add the meat, you can turn the heat to a little bit high, medium high, and stir it and mix the meat really well. Let it mix with the onion and the ground masala. Cook the meat for about 5 minutes and break all the big clumps. And then you add the poppy seeds and the cloves and cardamom that we ground. Add that, about 1 teaspoon. Chili powder according to your taste. Remember, we added chili powder in the meat, so watch out. And some more garam masala and mix well. Then add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, just about 1 medium-sized tomato. And mix it well. Add some fresh curry leaves, about 10-15 pieces. Just chop it or just break it with your hand. And mix it when the meat is about 3/4 cooked. And then at that point add the potato pieces. We don't want the potato pieces to get fully cooked and mashed. So that's why we're adding it when the meat is about 3/4 cooked. Mix everything really well and turn the heat to low. And then cover it and cook it until the potato is fully cooked. It's been about 3 minutes. Let's check how it is. Potato cooks fast, so we don't want the potato to overcook also. We just want just cooked, that's it. No more or less. At this point, check the salt and the spices. If you need more, you can add it. Everything is fine. You don't have to add anything. So I'm just going to cover it and cook it for about a couple of minutes more. Put it in low heat. Turn the heat to low. The smell is so aromatic, so beautiful. I wish you guys could smell this. That's it, it's done. Add some fresh curry leaves at the end and add the chopped cashew nuts also. And mix them all nicely now. Minced meat with potato curry is ready. Our keema curry is ready. Next, I'm going to transfer this onto a platter. Here is the keema curry, or the minced meat with potato. Let's do some garnishments. I'm sprinkling some cilantro leaves, chopped cilantro leaves, and some green and red fresh chilies. Minced meat with potato curry is served. Next, I'm going to show you how you can eat this. I sometimes eat just like this, or you can eat it with bread, or you can use this as a stuffing for samosa or puffs. And mostly we eat it with rice, nice hot rice, and then you put the meat on top. Here is the keema curry over the rice. And another thing you can do is dosa wrap. You have idli or dosa batter at home, or if you don't have any, you can even mix some maida or wheat flour, make it into thin consistency, and then make dosa with that. I have some dosa batter at home, so I'm going to show you how I make the dosa wrap. Just spread the dosa batter just like a dosa, thin dosa. It's up to you, thin or thick. You can make it like uttapam also. Spread the batter and sprinkle some oil and put the lid on top and let it cook. So this way the top of the dosa also gets cooked. Just after about 2 minutes, open the lid and then you put the keema on top of the dosa in the middle, just like this. And then just wrap it. The top part is already cooked since we covered it. So that's it. And sprinkle some ghee on top. Dosa wrap is ready. So here is your dosa wrap with keema, stuffed keema. Roti wrap, a chapati wrap. You make your chapati and cook both the side, and then you add the stuffing, your keema meat, in the middle, and just like we did the dosa, just fold it, and that's it. You can even roll it. You can put the meat on one side, one end, and you can roll it. And that's it. This is your keema wrap with roti or chapati. Please try the recipe. Instead of potato, you can use peas, cauliflower, or Brussels sprouts, or round cabbage, or everything. Mix everything together and add some beans also, and you're going to love it. To make it healthy, you can even use rahi dosai or wheat bread and make a sandwich with that. Please subscribe to my channel, Indian Cooking with Suganthi, and please click the bell button also, and your subscription means a lot to me. Please try the recipe and leave your comments below, and also please visit my Facebook pages. I have provided the links in the description column below. Please visit my travel videos and videos on health topics, and I will be back soon with more recipes and interesting videos. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.